So for this getting started checklist over here, it gives you the list of things for you to do first when you come to this CRM. For you to add your first contact, create your first deal, invite any team that you have, or connect any messaging app like a WhatsApp, SMS, or email. For each section, I'll add a contact for you to see. Create a new contact, you enter his full name, a phone number, the email address, and company, a company that they are, job title, their startup if they're a lead member, their source, their Instagram, whatever you have to add. Then you create the person's contact. Then when you want to view the contact details, you just click on the details of the contact and the person's details will come up here. Everything that concerns this particular contact will be shown. Also, if you want to edit a contact, you should click on edit here to be able to edit a contact, add whatever you want to add, their email, their preference, their WhatsApp, their Instagram. This helps you add any contact you want or edit a contact that you have.